Welcome to the Output Pane training. Since all of the tax program entries are calculated in real time, results are shown immediately. That means any entry made in our center pane, the return or input pane, will result in entries and totals showing in our output pane. To see the entire output form, we have some tools to help us. Click the gear at the top of the output pane. Then click on the menu item with the term Flip. This action allows us to view the entire form. Notice, however, that it may not be in a size that we want to see. Here we can see the View is set at 100%. We can enlarge it to see more specific detail, or we can shrink the view size in order to see the entire form. We'll go back and set the view back to 100%. To return to the 5-pane view, click on the Flip button once again. This will flip or change the view of the screen back to the original setting. If we click the gear button again, the center selection called Always Show allows the user to set specific form to always show as the first form displayed in the output pane. The tool icon to the left of the gear provides some great utilities for working on the client's return. The tick marks feature, for example, provides an audit trail for the practitioner as they check off the various fields within the tax return. Note that you can remove a tick mark or leave it as a question mark if the preparer has a question or a concern about the entry made. Other items on the drop-down menu include the ability to remove all tick marks, place a watermark on the return, produce a more detailed summary, and access a form filler, which provides rarely used or unusual tax return forms that may need to be included with a specific return. The Quick Key button changes the return input method from the standard tax return entry protocol to one that can be used specifically for simple returns. The Federal and State Forms tab work the same way as in the standard entry method, but the Quick Key has a list of preset forms usually completed in simple returns. Again, additional forms may be added to the list of Quick Key forms. To return to the standard entry method, click on the Detail key at the top right of this screen. This completes our training of the output form.